Venus is often called Earth's twin. It has a similar size, a similar mass, and a similar origin story. But here's the twist. Venus isn't Earth's future. It's Earth's warning. Venus shows us how two planets, born almost identical, can evolve into completely opposite worlds. So, let's explore the 9 terrifying ways Venus is Earth's evil twin. First, Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting about 108 million kilometers away. That doesn't sound too strange, right? But here's the interesting thing. Venus is not the closest planet to the Sun, yet it is the hottest planet in our entire solar system. This proves that distance alone doesn't decide a planet's climate. Second, Venus and Earth are almost exactly the same size. NASA measurements show Venus's diameter is just under 12,104 kilometers, while Earth's is 12,742 kilometers. That's a difference of less than 5%. Now, if size determined habitability, Venus should be teeming with life, but it isn't. This similarity is what makes Venus so scientifically disturbing. It shows that being Earth-like doesn't guarantee being Earth-safe. Third, let's talk about that heat. The surface of Venus averages a staggering 465 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead and destroy any electronics we send there within hours. But the twist here is that on Venus, day and night feel the same. The entire planet is always hot. Mercury gets extreme heat by day and freezes at night. Venus, however, is trapped in a uniform, relentless heat everywhere. This isn't just solar heat. It's atmospheric heat. This leads us to the fourth point, a runaway greenhouse effect. The atmosphere on Venus is about 96% carbon dioxide and is so thick it can crush spacecraft. NASA reports the surface pressure is 92 times greater than Earth's, like being 900 meters underwater. But Venus didn't start this way. Scientists believe it once had water, mild temperatures, and maybe even oceans. Then, the greenhouse effect ran away and never stopped. Venus shows what happens when a climate system crosses a point of no return. Fifth, time itself is broken on Venus. The planet rotates incredibly slowly. 1 year on Venus is about 225 Earth days. But one single rotation, or 1 day, takes 243 Earth days. Yes, a day on Venus is longer than its year. And even stranger, Venus rotates backward. The Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. This suggests it suffered massive impacts or extreme tidal forces in its past. Sixth, Venus is a volcanic world. Its surface is hidden by clouds, but radar imaging from NASA reveals vast lava plains and thousands of volcanoes with signs of recent activity. The twist, Venus may still be geologically alive today. Unlike Earth, it has no plate tectonics. Instead, heat escapes through catastrophic resurfacing events. Venus doesn't recycle its surface gently. It resets it violently. Seventh, those clouds aren't fluffy and white. They're made of sulfuric acid. They reflect sunlight, which is why Venus looks so bright and beautiful from space. But that beauty is a disguise. Below the clouds lies a world of crushing pressure, toxic chemistry, and no liquid water. Every lander we've sent has survived for only minutes, 2 hours. Eighth, Venus has no magnetic shield. Unlike Earth, it lacks a global magnetic field, likely due to its slow rotation and weak internal dynamo. Without this shield, Venus couldn't protect its atmosphere. Over billions of years, the solar wind stripped away its water, hydrogen escaped into space, and any oceans vanished. Venus didn't lose its water suddenly. It just leaked away into space. Finally, why does NASA study Venus so closely? Because it's essential for understanding climate stability, exoplanet habitability, and even Earth's long-term future. And here's the final twist. Venus isn't our destiny, but it proves that Earth has won, and that destiny depends on how fragile this planetary balance truly is. Venus is Earth's twin in structure, but its opposite in outcome. It teaches us a profound lesson. Planets don't fail suddenly. They fail gradually and then completely. Venus is the evidence. Thanks for watching. And if you found this journey to our twisted sister planet fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into our universe.